Good morning, everybody. Had
Merry
to get the cue to
Christmas.
start.
Happy December 16th.
That's it.
Hey,
You got
I
it.
got it this time.
That's right.
16 times the charm.
That's right. And don't forget to respond to the RSVP to the VIP party. How's that for a mouthful?
Yeah, I haven't been talking about that. Shame on me. That's going to be fun.
I know it's going to be a lot of fun, but we want you to let us know if you're going to be here because we might have some surprises.
And I need to know
And we
how
wanna
many
make
cookies
sure-
to buy.
Yeah. And we want to make sure we have a surprise for everybody. So anyway, we're day 16, and let's just see, what have we got in here, Josh? Oh,
A whole bunch of goodies. So, it was right there first.
right there
Perfect.
on top.
I'm going to let you open it. You
Oh,
wrap it. You
thanks.
do the honors. I'm just here for moral support
You are.
and some jingles.
Some jingles.
Jangles.
All right.
Oh, this is a good one.
Awesome.
Now, is everybody going to get the same thing, or are they a little different?
They're a little different. They are all going to be baskets of some sort. One will be like this one, basket with a handle.
So it's rope bowls.
Rope bowls,
Rope.
yes.
It's technically rope. You have to make the bowl. You have to
Right.
turn it into a
But
bowl.
everything is in here you need. Your instructions, your needle, the rope, everything is in here. And this one is the basket with the handles. And then you have one that's 3 bowls. And then you have one that's 3 coasters.
Oh, nice.
So we'll wait and see who has what. And recently I introduced this to my niece. And oh my gosh, she's 11 years old. All she wants for Christmas is rope.
People get hooked on this stuff.
Oh, and she has. And she's figured out if she uses different color threads, how cool it is. So she did one that had white and then blue and white and blue thread.
Cool.
And that's all she's talking about now with all of her friends. So it can be addicting. So just kind of let you know.
And if you've done rope bowls or anything, coasters, then you know exactly what we're talking about and you're going to love this. If you haven't, don't be scared because we can definitely, in fact, we might even already have classes scheduled for the future. So we got your back. We want you to have fun. And people get really hooked on these things.
That's right.
And so Merry Christmas. That's a good one.
Maybe at the VIP party, we'll kind of do a demo.
We could do a little demo. That'd be great.
Yeah. So maybe bring yours if you've tried it or if you've made it by then. Bring it. Let us see what you did.
Absolutely.
All righty.
Fantastic.
Well, then that's day number, what did we say?
16.
Awesome. I'm losing track. I'm sorry.
It's all right. They're all awesome.
Yeah, that's right. I know. I wish I could have gotten a subscription to this.
Maybe next year.
All right.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas. Bye.